G'day, I'm Roger Gaff.
And I'm Sarah Gaff.
And welcome to Gaff Air. Gaff Air's been established for 25 years in the Southern Highlands. We specialise in air conditioning, central heating and refrigeration. We would like to offer you 100% satisfaction solutions to all your requirements. We provide all sorts of air conditioning, central heating and refrigeration solutions. Our mission statement is to provide high-tech, innovative, energy-efficient solutions to all those categories. We have 12 staff members and we train all of our own apprentices. We are compliant in all occupational health and safety issues and are able to meet those requirements for all sorts of builders and building site applications. At Gaff Air, we pride ourselves on our own qualified and trained staff, which means that your job is carried out professionally with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Just one of the ways here at Gaff Air we can really make a difference to your air conditioning installation. This is phenolic foam in 20mm thickness, carries an R rating of R1.5. The typical sheet metal installation that most people would use with insulation inside the boot is up 0.6. This will give, over the lifetime of your air conditioning system, approximately a 20% saving on your running costs. The foam product is lightweight, fire resistant, very easy to install in your roof. We can do it in 1200 sections. In commercial applications, we can do it in larger sections up to 4 metres. It's very easy to support the weight of the product, very easy to hang it, and quick and easy to install. Therefore, giving you a greater cost-effective, energy-efficient installation. Okay, what we have here is a typical air conditioning return plenum made from sheet metal and R.6 insulation. This is used typically throughout all domestic air conditioning installations. What we have over here is our foam plenum made from R1.5 phenolic foam that is fire resistant and gives the air conditioning system a lot more insulation to provide a more energy efficient system for you and your running costs. Okay, this is an overhead CNC router where we load the panel into this machine. The machine will then carry out our programs and cut the board to tailor-make this piece of duct board into your tailor-made solution for your project.
Okay, well here we are at a commercial premises and it's a patisserie. I could think of worse places to go. Roger, what's happening here?
Today we're carrying out some repair work on their blast freezer room, and we look after all their cool rooms and large walk-in freezers. They have a large team of people here that produce a lot of wholesale patisserie products, and to keep them all going is a real critical component.
Now Roger, Gaff Air specialises a lot in residential but also commercial applications as well.
Yes, Mark, we do a lot of shopping centres with the Fujitsu VRF product, nursing homes and major commercial projects like that, right across the commercial sector.
So from go to woe, planning the job, installation, carrying the operation through, making sure that everything's operational, and then of course after service as well.
Yeah, that's all very important. We start off with the design concept, take it through the installation process, commissioning and post-servicing, and also warranty. That's a great call.
From commercial shopping centres through to colleges, what's the application here, Roger?
Well, Mark, here we've got a 110-room dormitory where we've installed some Fujitsu VRF product. We're able to provide a great solution in this application to reduce their overall running costs and provide individual temperature control in 110 rooms, which suits every key individual and provides a level of comfort at a minimal running cost. And combined with a computer control system, they can put in all sorts of lockable parameters that will limit their access, their temperature and time profile, which once again helps the college manage the overall running cost. A great solution.
Some of the attributions to the success of Gaff Air is about their diversity with commercial, industrial and residential applications.
This unit is installed in a typical residential fashion with fan coil being hung in amongst the trusses and flexible duct front and rear onto the system, onto the supply air grills and the return air grills. Note you can see the refrigeration pipework, the control wiring going down to the thermostat and the ducting coming on and off the machine. These starter sets are called plenums, and that's typically what we do to get these things rolling. Moving through into this section, a lot of larger homes have utility rooms like family rumpuses, formal dining rooms, where we can put individual fan coils into these applications above wet areas, wet bars, wine cellars, and with some lovely bar grills, we're able to supply air into these rooms, giving it that really upmarket motel style feeling with the bar grills that a lot of people want today in these residential applications. Remembering today that with the functionality of these high-tech refrigeration systems, we're able to limit the amount of energy used at one period of time, where each fan coil is hooked through a series of pipework through to one condenser outside. And when one fan coil comes on, it only uses a certain amount of energy, the amount of energy that's required to heat and cool that room. And therefore, this reduces your energy costs rather than heating and cooling a very large area or the total home. Okay, with upstairs here, this is a master bedroom with a lovely large walk-in robe and wet area. We can put a fan coil in to serve this area only. So over night time, when the house is basically shut down and maybe only 2 people occupying the house, just one small fan coil can be used and limiting the amount of energy used throughout the whole house. And this will provide greater comfort just in this area and give the person a lot better temperature control of the area that they're living in. What we see here is we've got a fan coil typically mounted in the ceiling, but they can be mounted below underneath a slab, concealed with a bulkhead, a lovely bar grill across the front, return air grill underneath, and they're very quiet, and all you can get the feeling that the room's been air conditioned and you don't know where it's all coming from. That's what that's the effect we're trying to create. Okay, we're here in another residential installation where we've roughed the equipment in prior to the house being gyprocked. We've put Australia's favourite air, the Fujitsu unit, up in the roof there, and we've put all the flexible ducting off the front of the unit and hooked it up to various junctions and zones and BTOs. That all goes in. We hook the refrigeration pipework up, the drains to the outside point of the eave, and then we put all the pipework under pressure test. So it is all done. Then we come back after it's gyprocked and just cut the grills in, and the installation is pretty well complete besides the outdoor unit.
Refrigerants have changed. Pictured here is a heavy-duty ducted air conditioning system used in commercial applications. With some modifications, this system can be converted to use the N-gas hydrocarbon refrigerant. N-gas hydrocarbon refrigerants are natural and are climate-friendly, are non-toxic, have no ozone-depleting properties, offer higher efficiency with guaranteed savings. Gaff Air are at the forefront of this diverse technology, where your existing commercial and domestic system can remain without costly replacement. Speak to one of the Gaff Air team for more information.